Lamborghini's electrified beast, unveiling the 2025 Urus PHEV. But with a hefty price tag and a focus on hybrid efficiency, can it still deliver the raw power and driving thrills that Lamborghini enthusiasts crave? The 2025 Lamborghini Urus is poised to elevate its status as the world's first super SUV with the introduction of a powerful plug-in hybrid (PHEV) powertrain, replacing the previous pure V8 option. With an estimated starting price of $275,000, the Urus PHEV promises to deliver an exhilarating driving experience while incorporating eco-conscious technology. At the heart of the 2025 Urus lies a potent hybrid powertrain, combining a twin-turbocharged 4.0L V8 engine with an electric motor. This electrifying combination is expected to produce a remarkable 800 horsepower and 700 lb-ft of torque, surpassing the outgoing V8 model's performance. This translates to an anticipated 0 to 60 miles per hour acceleration in a mere 3.2 seconds and a top speed exceeding 200 miles per hour, solidifying the Urus's position as a true performance SUV. Complementing its ferocious performance, the 2025 Urus PHEV maintains its reputation for luxurious comfort. The interior is expected to receive a refined touch with upgraded materials, new technology integration, and potential variations in color schemes and trim options. Passengers can anticipate heated and ventilated seats, a panoramic sunroof, and an advanced infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. The transition to a PHEV powertrain not only enhances the Urus's performance but also introduces an element of eco-consciousness. The larger lithium-ion battery pack is expected to provide an electric driving range of around 30 to 40 miles, allowing owners to experience the thrill of silent, emissions-free motoring for shorter commutes or around-town errands.